Hi, welcome back to our channel. Well, as you're probably aware, we do have a garage here, but we also do a mobile service. And today we had a phone call from T5 transporter, and basically loss of drive, grinding noise coming out, and loss of drive. In my experience, I've had that problem before, quite a few times on the VWs, on our transporters. They've got a funny setup on the drive shafts. I can show, because we know the problem. We pre-ordered the drive shaft already, because I know this is a quite a thing, that the drive shaft is hollow at the end. You've got a multi-splines on it, and this little dongle that goes into the gearbox, and you can see that bit sticks out from the gearbox, and them splines wear out. So when that goes into that, you see it's like it's got a shaft, no movement. But on them, the teeth actually wear out on them, and that could sit in the gearbox standing still, or rather engine will be rotating, and that obviously attached to the wheel will be standing still, and that will just literally spin inside, making an awful rackety noise. And it always happens on the offside drive shaft, driver side. So we pre-ordered the bits, but just in case if it's not it could be obviously more drastic, like a gearbox failure or something along those lines. But in my experience, this is more likely scenario. So we pre-warned the customer about it already, and we're gonna go now and investigate it. We'll jack it up and have a look if that is the problem happening. Actually, I had to do one of them jobs probably about 4 weeks ago on a MAA van, which is basically a VW crafter in disguise. It's exactly the same issue. Same thing, the drive shaft multi-splines are gone, and that's it. And the loss of drive. Just a lot of grinding noise, and no movement. Put new drive shaft in, perfect, that's it. Happy customer. Right, let's get going. We got to the van. This is a 2005 VW Transporter T5, and let's have a look what's happening. I already brought some tools out. I haven't checked it yet, but right. Grinding noise. So to me it sounds about right. Let's jack it up and have a look. Right. Yeah, if it's a have a look. Okay. If I put my hand up here, I can feel it. The teeth are grinding one on top of another and making all sorts of racket. So I would say, I can safely say, that is the issue. Right, let's take the wheel off. Luckily, no locking wheel nut key. It makes life a bit easier. undo this nut. Oh, luckily that's gone in. Right, let's have a look. Right. Ooh, bigger than 12. Okay. Right, let's get the ball joint off now. Ball joints off. That's it. With a couple of bolts up there, 13mm bolts. Right. Right. And now you see if you go deeper, that's what the teeth is supposed to be like. Up here, none left. So it's actually the problem just with the drive shaft. All the teeth on the spline, all good still. But because we got new one, I'm gonna put that in as well. New one. See, that's what the problem is. And see, so years of expertise, kind of, you get to know them sort of things that there's issue with that. Right, here's a 6mm bolt. Let's hope it's gonna come out. Let it come out nicely. Sweet. Let's get the new one out. Get it ready. See? No oil come out. This one doesn't even have a small snap ring, but it does. That's the reason why I normally lift the vehicle really high on one side. It's all lopsided, so all the oil leaks on the other side. So when you come up to that point, you don't actually lose any oil. Bearing looks like it's sticking out, doesn't it? I don't think that's supposed to stick out that much. Pass the hammer, please. I'm not sure that's supposed to be sticking out that far. Not moving. Well, and now let's have a look. The old drive. That bit out. See, we put it in, and you can turn it. That's your racketing noise. Right, that's that out. And that's a new bit in. Followed by the new drive shaft. Did I not bring it? I didn't bring it. That's it. Okay. Yeah, you don't want to be careful with them 2 bolts because I've had that before where the threads were stripped off on it. I've seen it before with the drive shaft just dangling about, but because there's no threads there, I had to put nut and bolt right through. Okay. Okay. Yay, that's enough. That's in. Now, the ball joint. One in. Right. And now it's actually gripping. Feel it's in gear now. Put the wheel back on. Somebody's puncture waiting to happen. remove the things from underneath. Well, there you go. All of a sudden you've got to drive. Back, forward. All the gears. All gears are perfectly fine. Another job done. Right, there's our VW, and it's done, and it's lovely, and it drives, and my suspicions were correct, and that's confirmed. There's a new drive shaft, and it drives honky dory now, or just the maiden voyage now, right? And I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra.